The topic of today's video is Verizon 5G home internet worth it? And the answer is, well, it depends. So let's get started with pricing, right? So Verizon has two 5G home price plans. It's the 5G Home Normal or the 5G Home Plus. Now, Home is going to come with a 3-year price lock guarantee, and Home Plus is going to come with a 4-year price lock guarantee. Fine. What are we getting in these packages? Home will give you your router and 1080p HD video streaming with, quote, fast speeds. 5G Home Plus, again, as fast as 5G Home can be, and will also give you Ultra HD 4K video streaming, router, and a whole home Wi-Fi setup, which are just pretty much range extenders. Now, I'm getting a bit sidetracked. As I said, we're going to start with the pricing. So if you are already on a mobile plan with Verizon, then it's a definite good way to go because you get discounts. 5G Home will be $45 a month and 5G Home Plus will be $65 a month. Now, if you are willing to set up auto pay, then you're looking at an even better price of $35 a month for Home, and Home Plus will be $55 a month. Without those, unfortunately, though, you are looking at $60 a month for Home and $80 a month for Home Plus. Now, another area where Home Plus specifically could be very useful is if you are planning on getting streaming services. If you want, for instance, Netflix and Max with ads, that is, it's going to be an extra $10 a month on your plan. So instead of paying for those individually, this could be a cheaper alternative. But they have tons of other packages like Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN Plus, again with ads, the Apple One setup, Apple Music Family, and YouTube Premium. Now, another thing, of course, to consider is coverage. If you are in a supported area for ultra-wide, ultra-wideband coverage, which will give you access to Verizon's fastest speeds, then it's a definite way to go. I'm currently on a 5G home Wi-Fi setup, not from Verizon though, and speeds are pretty decent. I guess if you're a power user, you would lean more to Fios, but again, Fios coverage is not as broad as 5G Home. So in my opinion, it is worth it, especially if you are an existing Verizon customer. And that is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.